Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel Inside Our Triangle, where we think outside the box. My name is Teray, and this is Struggle Meal September, meaning that I'm going to post a video every single day. It's going to be affordable meals that you can get the ingredients from the dollar store, Dollar General, or Walmart. This is actually part 2 of the Steakum Struggle Meal. If you click the link below, I'll go ahead and place a link of yesterday's recipe where we used a microwave. But for this particular recipe, you will need almost the same ingredients. You're going to need Hellmann's real mayonnaise. It doesn't have to be Hellmann's. It can be Duke's or any mayonnaise. You're going to need cheese. It can be slices, shredded, cheese sauce, a cheese whiz, however you would like to decorate your particular sandwich. We're going to use mustard. Yesterday we used ketchup. Today we're going to use mustard. It's all about how you want to make your sandwich. And then we're going to use steakum.
Steak? Did you say steak?
The rest of the steakum today. Does it have to specifically be steakum? It does not. You can actually get the Walmart version of steakum, the Great Value version, or any type of version as long as it's the sliced steaks. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Today, we don't need a microwave. We need a frying pan. So let's go ahead over to the stove. Thank you for joining me. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help the channel get out to other people who might be interested in struggle meals. So this is going to be the exact same video as yesterday, except we're doing a different technique. Yesterday we did in the microwave, and today we're using the frying pan. So I've already set my temperature to medium heat. I'll go ahead and spray the pan. Just a little bit, not that much. And we're actually going to do this in real time, so you can see that these mini steaks cook up very fast, and this is really a quick meal. This is the same box that I used yesterday. We're going to use 3 planks. If I can get it out of the package. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing well. Usually I do start with the planks coming straight out of the deep freezer. However, on camera, I wanted it to have more of a crumble factor. So I left them out for about 10 minutes before I started recording the video. So you want to put the planks in. 1, 2, and number 3 is extremely crumbled. There we go. Okay, we're cooking clean at the same time, so I'm putting this trash in my garbage bag, which I leave a little tiny garbage bag on top of the counter, a little Walmart bag, a little Dollar General bag, and that way I'm not constantly running back and forth to the trash can. So use the seasoning that you enjoyed.
Wow, salt and pepper?
From yesterday. I use a little salt, a little garlic salt, and then the Monterey, because it already has that coarse ground pepper that I like so much. And we're going to place that in the pan as well. I don't know if you can see it, but the pan is already starting to heat up for me. At this point, we're going to go ahead and start crunching up the planks. Now, if it's frozen, it's going to take a little longer, but because they have defrosted, it shouldn't take us very long at all. I would actually use this method if I'm making this steak and cheese or this cheese steak. This is a little more closer to the authentic Philly style. So I'm going to label it the cheese steak. Yesterday was a steak and cheese. So we're going to go ahead and crumble this up and brown up the meat. It's only going to take, it does not take very long. In the meantime, I'm going to get my cheese ready.
64 slices of American cheese.
You can use slices, you can use whichever type of cheese you wish. Any mixture of cheeses, that'll be great. I'm not ready to put it on just yet because there's still a lot of pink here. Move a little closer. Get that heat going. Remember, you are going to have to drain the oil out of the pan before you place your cheese on. For some reason, this does cause a lot of oil. So, we don't want too much oil or our bread will become soggy, basically non-existent. And just, for a little, just to cut down on so much oil in our sandwich. A little healthier. One more piece of cheese. Again, we're doing this in real time. I do enjoy watching food being fried. I don't know if you're like me, but I do like that. So, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's actually free. Just click the links below. Okay, that looks really good. At this point, you can actually take off a piece and taste it and see if your seasoning is good. However, I can do this meal in my sleep. I've done it so many times. So I know my seasoning is how I like it. Let me drain this real quick. I will be right back. You know what? I'm doing it in real time, so you'll see how fast this is. I'm just taking it over to the sink and draining out some of the oil. Not losing any of the precious steak. Okay. She's nice and drained. Looking good. I'm going to put it kind of in a pile. And let's go ahead and top it with some cheese. There we go. Fire 1. And fire 2. I want every piece of this dripping with cheesy goodness into the garbage bag as this goes. I already have my plate ready. At this point, go ahead and get your bread ready. You want to put your bread together with your mayonnaise and your mustard and maybe lettuce, tomatoes, green peppers that you cook down a little bit. However you like your steak and cheese. Usually I do saute up some onions, but I wanted you to see that you can make this basic recipe 2 different ways. That's me thinking outside the box. And look, the cheese is already melting. This is perfection. And there's still a lot of grease here, so you may want to go ahead and carefully drain out some of the grease. Look, it's ready. Let me give you a closer look. This is actually ready. Okay, again, I'm not going to serve with all that grease at the bottom. I'm going to drain that. And I will be right back with the finished product. And here is the finished product. This is a Philadelphia cheesesteak style with steakum. Okay, so it's not truly authentic, but it's pretty close. This is with the steakum. It's got the cheese. This was fried instead of the microwave. Guys, I implore you, don't sleep on steaks. They're not that expensive. It's super nice, and I've shown you 2 different techniques. You can use the pan fry if you'd like to, cook it for a large. And you can use the microwave if you want for just yourself or maybe you and your partner. Look at that cheesy goodness. Season it exactly the way that you wish. Here is, I can't wait any longer, guys. Your bite. And here is my bite. I have been waiting for this. Oh my goodness. All day. It's cheesy. It's meaty. It's hot. It's filling. Add some Lay's potato chips, the plain kind. A nice Sprite. That's got chunks in it. You want to talk about a nice lunch. Fantastic. Let's look at the other side so you can see. Imagine that with a ooey gooey sauce. Guys, these are difficult times with inflation and gas and COVID. Look at that juice. So, take care of yourself and look at that. Oh my goodness. Don't forget, I try to add a man cats at the end of the video, so stick around for that. Like, comment, and right down below. Have a beautiful day. Have a blessed day. Bye.